Hash functions. Hash functions are mathematical algorithms that transform an input, often called a message, into a fixed-size output, referred to as a hash value or digest. They play a crucial role in cybersecurity, enabling secure data handling, rapid processing, and reliable data validation. The ability to map variable-sized inputs to fixed-sized outputs makes them essential in verifying data integrity, encrypting passwords, and supporting cryptographic systems. Hash functions are deterministic, ensuring the same input always produces the same output. Characteristics of hash functions. Hash functions have several key characteristics that make them fundamental in cryptography. They are one-way functions, meaning the original input cannot be derived from the hash output. They are collision-resistant, ensuring two different inputs do not produce the same hash value. A small change in the input results in a completely different hash due to the avalanche effect, making hash functions highly sensitive to tampering. Additionally, they are efficient, processing large datasets quickly, which makes them ideal for real-time applications like digital signatures and secure communication. Applications of hash functions. Hash functions have diverse applications in digital security and cryptography. They are used to securely store passwords by hashing them instead of storing plain text. Hash functions verify data integrity by comparing hash values before and after transmission to detect tampering. They are central to digital signatures, enabling authentication in online transactions. Blockchain technology relies on hash functions to link blocks securely. They also help identify duplicate files through their unique hashes and are used in message authentication codes to verify the authenticity of messages in secure communication protocols. Examples of hash functions. Hash functions come in various types, each suited to specific use cases. MD5, while once popular, is now insecure due to vulnerabilities to collision attacks but is still used for simple checksum verifications. SHA-1 was widely used but is no longer recommended for high-security applications. SHA-2, including SHA-256, is now the most widely used secure hash algorithm, offering strong protection for blockchain, file verification, and cryptographic protocols. Modern algorithms like Argon2 and Blake2 are designed for password hashing and cryptographic operations, ensuring efficiency and robust security. Limitations of hash functions. Despite their strengths, hash functions have limitations. Some, like MD5 and SHA-1, are vulnerable to collisions, compromising their reliability. The one-way nature of hash functions, while useful for security, makes it impossible to retrieve original data, which can be a limitation in certain scenarios. They are susceptible to brute force attacks if inputs are not properly salted. Additionally, high traffic or complex operations can lead to performance issues. Finally, emerging threats like quantum computing could render traditional algorithms less secure, necessitating quantum-resistant alternatives. Future of hash functions. The future of hash functions focuses on addressing modern security challenges. Quantum-resistant algorithms are being developed to counter the potential risks posed by quantum computing. Integration with AI/ML is being explored to improve threat detection and adaptability. Lightweight hash functions are emerging to meet the needs of IoT devices with limited resources. Blockchain and decentralized systems are driving demand for more efficient hash functions. As technology evolves, stronger standards and more robust algorithms like SHA-3 are expected to dominate the cryptographic landscape. To summarize, hash functions are mathematical algorithms that take input data and produce a fixed-size output, typically a hash value or digest. These functions are integral to modern cybersecurity, ensuring data integrity, authenticity, and efficient data management. With properties like determinism, irreversibility, and collision resistance, hash functions play a critical role in encryption, digital signatures, and password storage.